So on the workbench, I've got one of these large capacity battery storage units here that was sent out to me to try out and test. Basically, just want to show you guys how this thing functions and give you some initial thoughts on this after I've kind of got all my batteries loaded in it. Now, truth be told, I kind of already had a battery case that I've loved and had been using for several years, but I went ahead and decided to take everything out of this case here and throw it in here just to kind of get an idea of how this one stacks up to the one I've been used to for several years now. And honestly, I took everything that was in this case, and it was probably 90% full, and threw it in here. And we've actually got an overflow tote that we keep a lot of the batteries in that don't fit in this case, so we can kind of just be swapping those back in as we go. And this thing's actually got a lot more capacity than that little case that I just showed you. So let's dive into this one real quick. I want to show you exactly what this thing can hold, and then you guys can make a determination as to whether this little storage case might be something that you want to pick up or not. Now, it's double-sided. That's the first thing to be noted about this. You're going to see here you can store batteries here on the back side as well as the front. This thing's actually able to hold 269 batteries total. Now, you've got a couple latches here on the front. Let me go ahead and open these up here. We'll take a look at the top one first. So when you open this up here, this is what you're going to see. Like I said, I pretty much took every battery that I've got available, and you can see I've still got a ton of room in this battery case. The battery case itself weighs in just over 2 pounds when it's completely empty. It does have one of these little battery checkers here as well. I think these things are actually pretty cool. I use this thing quite a bit in my other case, and this is basically the identical tester that comes with this one as well. Now, just to give you an idea, as with all the batteries that I've got in here so far, I'd say this is probably 50% loaded. I took this battery case from the 2 pounds roughly empty to I'm over 10 pounds right now just as it sits. So when you get this thing fully loaded out with batteries, you're probably going to be every bit of 15 if not 20 pounds, probably closer to 15 pounds though when you get this thing fully loaded. So keep that in mind. This thing's going to be quite a bit heavy when you get it fully loaded out. There's something to keep in mind here. You're going to be able to store AAAs, AAAs, C batteries, D batteries, all that here in this top tray here. If you actually counted all the little slots up, you're gonna have 70 AAA battery slots in the front here. AA, you're gonna be around 66. You have 12 spots here for D batteries, and then on your C batteries, you've got 12. You've also got a spot down here at the bottom for your 9-volt batteries, and then you've got some specialty spots here for your button type style batteries that'll go right here. Now let's go take a look at the other side here just to show you what that looks like as well. Now, what is really cool about this case versus my other case that I had is it does have slots available for some batteries that I don't actually have on me. If you've got some of those flashlights that are swappable and have the 18650 batteries, well, this thing actually has a spot for 6 of those batteries down here at the bottom that you can store those in. Other than that though, you're gonna have basically the AA, AAA, as well as quadruple A slots here in the back. And then it's also gonna have spots here for some of the specialty batteries like your CR123s. I've got a few of those. As well as your 23As, you got your 44L R44s. So some of the specialty batteries that you may have like garage door remotes or maybe even like your camera flashes, things of that nature, you're gonna be able to store that in this case as well. So is this case gonna be for everybody? Maybe, maybe not. Just depends on what you think. As far as what types of batteries you guys keep in your house on a daily basis. This thing, like I mentioned, has a wide variety of batteries that you can put in it. You may end up having some empty slots just depending on what you guys use on a daily basis. But other than that though, I think this is a pretty handy little case. What I did like about it is we store our batteries up in the coat closet in our entryway, and this thing stacks in there on the shelf really nicely. It doesn't take up a lot of space, and it does actually sit upright a little bit better than my other case does. Something else that's really nice about it too is it's with it being kind of compact and low, you can store this in a dresser drawer very easily as well, or like in the drawers back here behind me on my workbench. I'd be able to stack this pretty easily in one of these drawers if I wanted to do that at the same time. Other than that, I think that's all I've got for you in this little review, guys. If this large capacity battery storage case is like something you might want to pick up, go ahead and check them out. They've actually got them available in several different colors. Appreciate you taking the time to watch. We'll catch you guys on the next video.